Maybe we've lost them. Alright, where am? Alright, let's go. What? Run! The spider thing is coming. Come on. I'm feeling hungry. Well, I have to go up right now to get that helicopter. I have to. What? He's climbing. Oh no, he almost got me. Run, run, run. Get him. Yes, 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 yes. He almost got it. Let's go. I'm finally here. I'm going. Alright. Where should I go? Hmm. Where should I go? Hmm. Hmm. Alright. No. Oh, no, 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 no. No. Oh. Ouch. Ouch. Oh. Alright. Somebody message me? Max? I'm not doing that. I'm going to that mat. Well, I'm feeling hungry. I said it 2 times. Why? Well, somehow, let's go. I'm finally here. Alright, let's go. Uh, why is there a floating bench? Alright, open it. People don't get some kind of peach. People don't get caught by peach. Are you serious? That's what I get. Get out. Well, some people. Wait. Ugh, why did I eat a skin? Lemons? No. Alright. Some people don't get caught by the creature except for me. Just get out. Get out. Why can't I beat him? Why can't I beat him? Alright. Gloria Potter. Alright, let's eat that. What? What are you doing? Mmm, that is so delicious. Mmm, delicious. Yes. Alright. The banana market that I see a billboard. What is it? Okay, okay, okay. And I'm going up until this RC. Wait, I can fit inside. What? This city is cursed somehow. Right, let's go. No, see the hand. He almost got me. Alright, I'm going up. Finally, I'm going up. Alrighty then. Let's go. No, don't slip. Look, I saw the hand. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Get that. Yes. No, it's stuck. I have to go climb up. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Money? Let me do that. Let's do it. Let's do it. Alright, what's going on? What? No, I can't use the map. Where did he go? Oh well, I have to go down. Oh, my ankle. My ankle. Oh, alright. Oh, ow. Oh,